Good morning. Good morning, everybody. We hope you're having a good day and a good week. Lots of things going on in the world, but we don't really concern ourselves with regard to the day-to-day news when we're trading in the markets. Why? We trade algorithmically. We're trading mechanically, robotically. And if you want to learn more about who we are and what we're doing, be sure to visit stockmarketcaddy.com. Be sure to give us a little goose. Push the like button. It helps us get more views, and we're more apt to make more videos and live sessions if we can get that done. We appreciate the shares and the likes and also at the same time maybe push that notification button because we're probably going to go live here in a moment or two. Today is Friday, October 20th at 11:36 a.m. I am Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and you are looking at SMC Stock Market Caddy, the Swing Machine Plus. Now, the folks at CNBC, they're all flummoxed. They're probably going to be doing market in turmoil tonight. You know how that goes. Oh my goodness. Let me show you something. The VIX on Swing Machine on the 60-minute interval went long 65 hours ago. 65. That was on the 17th. At what time? 5 p.m. If you had gone long the VIX, you'd be up $2,400 with a mini contract. But if you had used it as a signal, then you would have known before everybody else that it was time to do what? To get short. The ES on a 60-minute went short 53 hours. So it was after the VIX, 53 hours. Did you get short at 4386.75, or were you playing for the Guillaume bounce and the Dan Nathan bounce and all that nonsense? At 6 a.m., if you had put on one mini contract, you'd be up $6,375. If you had put on a micro, you'd have $637. If you had put on 10 of these, you'd be up $63,000. Folks, they didn't get to build those buildings in New York and Chicago by accident. They're trading thousands of these things, while your 401k and IRA money just sits there and gets smaller and smaller. The NQ, 73 hours ago, 9 a.m. on the 17th, 9,500 bucks. Same drill. Micro, 950. 10 of them, 95 grand. The Russell, 49 hours ago. You get the drill. 2830. The YM, 49 hours ago. 3,200. Let's do some rough math. Let's not count that. This is 6,000. That's roughly 15,000, 18,000, 22, 23, some odd $1,000 on an hourly basis. And I know what you're thinking. I'm not some wild-eyed intraday trader, Don. I'm an investor. I trade, or I invest day to day. All right. Let's see if we can go in here. My computers are a little bit slow here. Here we go. We're doing a lot of things. So let's open this up. Let's put all the symbols here on a daily. All symbols, bear with me, on a daily. We're going to change the Swing Machine. Again, it's a little sluggish because we're taping and zooming and YouTubing. And let's get these all changed to a daily. If you had been a member to Stock Market Caddy, the VIX went long just 2 days ago. So the VIX was lagging. That's what fooled everybody. The ES, though, on Swing Machine said 24 days ago, get out. Get out. Take some precaution. If you had put on a mini, you would be up 11,400. If you had put on a micro, you'd be up 1,100. If you had put on 10 of these, you'd be up 114,000. The NQ, the NASDAQ, 23 days ago. That's over 3 weeks ago. This is before the Mideast. It's before all of that. 9,300, 930 for a micro. 10 minis, 93 grand. The Russell, look at the Russell, 47 days ago. You in there keep buying those call contracts on the micros? I'm sorry, on the small caps? $10,000. If you had done it with a micro futures contract, you'd be up 1,000. If you had done it with 10, you'd be up 100,000. The Dow, there's no place to hide. 44 days ago, 7,400. Same thing. Could have been 74,000 if you reduce your leverage. The process is the same. The signals are the same. 740. In round numbers, 11,009. There's 20,000, 30,000, $37,000 to $40,000. $37,000 to $40,000 trading a mini. A micro, 3,700 to 4,000. 10 minis, 370 to 400,000. These tools can be on your desktop. We don't sell them. We don't lease them individually. Why? You must go through what we call a Q school. And the Q school is more valuable than any individual tool. Because there we're going to take 3 weeks to teach you what you need to know. From there, you're going to need to practice and practice and practice and hone your skill. These trading robots are not automatic. You must have good acquired trading skill. Be sure to visit the site. We try to answer most of your questions. But if you still have questions and you want to call me, have the questions written down. We want to maximize your time. Call us from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. It can be a weekday, it can be a weekend. It could be New Year's Eve. You know, we had a member call me on New Year's Eve, and Susan said, Don, you're not really going to take that phone call. I said, absolutely. I said, it turned out it was Adam. I said, if this gentleman, Adam, it's now like 2 years ago, wants to talk about the markets on New Year's Eve at 3 o'clock, man, that's just the guy I want to talk to. And he's doing really well. 813-758-8263. Have fun, everybody. We're here. We're ready when you are. Good luck.